This is how to extract the footages from the BWC171. Simply plug out the cover, USB cover, and you can see a port. Insert the cable which has been provided inside the set. There should be a blue-green light at the top of the camera. The password is 6 zeros, so click on OK to enter the password. And you can view your footages. Simply click on File Explorer and go under the D drive. Click on DCIM and you can view all your footages. To delete footage, simply select the footages that you don't need, right click and delete. To safely eject the camera, click on eject storage and it will be safe to plug out your BWC and it will auto off. Thank you.